Apple just put its biggest rival inside its most famous product. Well, Apple just put Google inside Siri, and Tim Cook cried on stage. WWDC 2026 was unhinged. Let me explain. The headline obviously was Apple rebuilt Siri from ground up on custom 1.2 trillion parameter Google Gemini model. It uses a three-tier system. Simple tasks stay on your device, complex ones goes to Apple's private cloud, and the heaviest reasoning routes to Google Cloud running on NVIDIA's Blackwell GPUs. The company said privacy is a human right, is now running your Siri queries on Google servers. Let that land. iOS 27 launches apps 30% faster and loads photo previews 70% faster. AirDrop speeds are up too, and iOS 27 supports all way back to iPhone 11. macOS is called Golden Gate, and Apple previewed a brand new OS, homeOS, for an upcoming HomePad service that combines HomePod speaker with a 7-inch display and an A18 chip. Apple's going after the smart home hard. Now the fine print. Siri AI won't be available in the EU on iPhone or iPad, blocked by the Digital Markets Act. It also won't launch in China. No foldable iPhone, no Apple AI Glass, zero hardware at all, and Siri AI itself launches as a beta sometime later this year. Classic Apple announces it 2 years early, ship it as a beta, and then there was this. Tim Cook ended the keynote with a personal message, visibly emotional, as he prepared to step down as the CEO on September 1st, handing the role to hardware chief John Turners. This was his last WWDC keynote after 2 decades at Apple. Whatever you think of him, that was a moment. So, to recap, Apple is using Google's AI, launching on Google server with NVIDIA chips to power Siri. The most Apple thing ever now is built by everyone except Apple. Which announcement matters most to you? Drop it down below. Follow for the full breakdown.